We're with the Sons of Abraham, and you're watching Sneak Peek TV. Boys, on your MySpace, you stressed that a lot of your influence comes from seeing live bands and whether it's good or shit. So have you had any live experiences lately that you've gone to and seen and taken inspiration from that?
Well,
Band every Australian band we get something from, but mostly good, sometimes not as good, but generally we just love going to see local Melbourne, Sydney, Queensland bands and just watching them and just taking in what they've got and hoping that we can put something out there that people get something out of as well.
So there's a new EP coming up, isn't there? So how many songs is that?
6.
Did that take long to record?
Two full days. We mainly just recorded it live. Most of the drums were recorded first day, and we kept a lot of the bass was kept, and yeah, so it's still got a really good live feel to it.
Yeah, cool. So you're keeping that kind of energy that you're feeding off the crowd with, and think that's how you're kind of translating it, kind of thing, just playing it live.
Definitely, yeah.
Just finally, boys, who's your favourite Ninja Turtle and why?
I'll have to say Michelangelo, or my mate Kutch will kill me. He's got a tattoo on his arm of him. What a loser.
Definitely Mikey.
I've got to be different. I'll say Raphael. I've no reason. I just don't want to be like him. That's all.
He was cool but crude.
We're Sons of Abraham, and you're watching Sneak Peek Party.
Understand it now. Taking a closer look around is not revealing what I pictured. It. Open up your eyes, can you spin me out? Open up your eyes, love will take you down. I know you'll never be alone, but you'll never be alone. Culminated in loves that coincide when she draws with me. All the time that I need, it's all that she believes is enough to make me leave. And all that I can give is love to let you know it's worth every fucking dollar for the show. Open up your mind, can you spin me out? Open up your eyes, love will take you down. I know you'll never be alone, but you'll never be alone. Culminated in lows that coincide when she draws with me. Ooh. Thought I'd seen you before. just what it's like to I feel just what it's like to culminated in those who coincide when she talks with me.